Job was a wealthy and upright man who lost everything in a test of faith. First, he lost his livestock, servants, and children in a series of tragic events. Yet he did not blame God. Then, Satan afflicted Job with painful sores, but Job still did not curse God. His 3 friends came to comfort him, but insisted his suffering must be due to sin. Job maintained his innocence and sought answers from God. Eventually, God spoke to Job, highlighting the limits of human understanding. Job humbly accepted God's wisdom. In the end, God restored Job's fortunes, giving him twice as much as before, and blessing him with more children and a long, prosperous life. Subscribe for more.